to send your loved ones a lovely message, then why not try drawing and colouring in these gorgeous heart emojis? They are so cute. We're starting with a cupcake covered in buttercream icing with a heart on top and some sprinkles. Lovely. Then we're going to do a smiley face all loved up with heart eyes. Brilliant. And lastly, we're going to do a love heart with wings because we are flying. We are so in love. Let's give it a halo because it's an angel. And perhaps some hearts in the sky. Yay! Darkening up the border, as always, to make the colours stand out. Lovely. We're going to do all our hearts red. That's right. We're going to stick to nice red hearts. Some yellow buttercream icing. And an orange cupcake holder. Back to the red. Who could you give this to? Perhaps your mum or your dad, even your best friend. What colour should we do the wings on this one? What will look good against the red? I know, blue! Wow, that looks really cool. I love it. A yellow halo? Yes. And a yellow smiley face. Woohoo! With red hearts, of course. You see how super easy that was?
Subscribe and watch more.